Out with the old set, in with the new set, and I'm going to show you guys how to preserve your nails after you remove them so that you can wear them at a later time and wear them over and over again. So let's get into it. I really enjoyed these duck nails, but it's time to get into a new set. So I took them off carefully, and I'm going to show you guys how I preserve my nails so that I can keep them and wear them again if I want to. Of course, you want to take them off carefully. Don't just try to cut them off or anything. I will make sure that I do a video on how I remove my press-on nails next time. But I took them off, and now I am using my nail drill to file the excess glue from the underside of the press-on nails. I also shave around the cuticle area and the side walls to remove any excess glue from those areas as well. Then I spray them down and wipe away the debris, or either you could use an alcohol prep pad to wipe the nails down and wipe that excess debris away. I made sure to keep the sticky pad that the nails came on so I could stick them back on there and put them away so I could wear them again at a later date or time. And that is how you refurbish your nails so that you can wear them again. Now let's get into this new set though. I've been sitting on this set for a minute. I've had it for months and I had yet to put it on. So like I said, I am bringing out all my nails and putting them on this year. I'm not going to let them sit there for months and months at a time. So I got this set from Temu. They are 100% handmade. I got them in a size large. On the back of the nails, it shows you how to size your nails so that you can pick the right nail size for your nail beds. They do not go by length, they go by the actual size of your fingers. So if you're not sure how to size your nails, there's some instructions on the back of the nails, and on Teemu, they also show you how to size your nails before you purchase them. So swipe through the pictures of the nails and you'll find the size guide. These nails were $9. They are not your regular standard press-on nails, so the price is a little bit higher than what you would normally pay for nails. Normally they're like, you know, maybe $3 or $4. The handmade nails can run anywhere between $8 and maybe 15 to 20 bucks depending on which seller you buy them from. So there's different sellers that sell these handmade nails and make these handmade nails on Teemu. So I started with my nail prep. I used my nail file to remove the shine from the top of my natural nails. Now I am spraying them down with my alcohol and acetone mixture. That is my nail dehydrator. Okay, so if you don't have no nail dehydrator, you can use that same mixture and it works just the same. If you don't have a nail drill at home, you can also use a nail file to file that shine from the top of your nails as well. So on my right hand, I'm using the nail file instead of my nail drill so you guys can see how you would do that and you get the same result. My cuticles didn't really need to be pushed back or anything, so I didn't push them back. But of course, if you have that thick cuticle that needs to be pushed back and removed, you may want to add that to your nail prep as well, as that will make your nails look better and last longer. So the one thing I was worried about with this set is that the thumbnails were very flat. Compared to the other nails for the other four fingers, the thumbs specifically were flatter without much curve to them. My nail beds have a curve to them. They're not very flat. So I was worried that they weren't going to fit good on my thumbs. But once I applied the glue on and stuck the nail on there, I think the glue really gave the nails that suction. It's a semi-solid nail glue that I'm using. It's kind of on the thick side. Semi-solid nail glue is kind of like the glue that you have to cure with a light, except for you don't need a curing light to cure it so it can dry. It will almost instantly dry. You don't need to hold the nails down as long as you would with some regular nail glue. With the semi-solid nail glue, you literally just have to press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds and the nail is on there. So I think the glue saved my thumbnails. I will make sure that I link this glue in the description of the video, so make sure you guys check the description box. If you are viewing this video and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping and you don't miss any of my content. But back to the tutorial. So I had a little bit of spillage of glue and I just took a Q-tip, and you want to make sure you always swipe the Q-tip away from the nail. Don't smear that glue across your nail. Make sure you use the Q-tip or like an alcohol pad and wipe away from the nail. Don't wipe the glue on towards your nail. You want to wipe the glue away from your nails. So you want to make sure you put a nice bubble of glue. Line that pressed on nail up with the cuticle not touching your skin, just below the cuticle, and press down. See how I'm using my fingers at the bottom of my finger to press up, and I'm using my thumb to press down. That is how you want to press. And you also want to press against your side walls as well if needed. With this nail glue, as soon as I press the nail on there, I feel like it suctions onto my side walls and the center of my nail. So I didn't really have to press against my side walls as much using this semi-solid nail glue. Using semi-solid nail glue also speeds up the process of applying your nails, because you really don't have to sit there and press and hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each nail. The nail is on there after, you know, maybe 10-15 seconds. So that's another thing that I like about this nail glue. And let's talk about these nails, okay? These handmade nails got me in a chokehold, okay? I love my little standard press-on nails. I know how to jazz them up and make them look, you know, like the handmade nails, or like I went to the nail salon. But these handmade nails, they're literally already just ready for you to put on, and all you got to do is put them on, because the quality is so amazing. They are acrylic or gel nails, I don't really know, but they are a lot thicker, more durable, they last longer, and you could probably get at least 3 weeks wear out of these nails. So I highly recommend. I rate these a 10 out of 10. From the 3D gold chrome to the colorful chrome on the tips of the nails, the shininess of the nails, like these are everything. If you have not shopped on Teemu specifically for their handmade nails, I highly recommend you do so. If you are new to Teemu and you have not yet downloaded the app, make sure you click the link in the description of this video to download the app. Make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 to get an exclusive discount on your order. You can get 30% off, and you can get a $100 coupon code to save on your order as well. So make sure you guys check the description box. Make sure you like this video, drop me a comment, and let me know how you feel about these nails. Of course, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.